Hello everyone, my name is Ansutar and today I'm going to introduce you to PayPilot, a smart payment control and reconciliation platform that I built from scratch using Monstack. Now before I show you what PayPilot does, let me ask you very simple questions. How many subscriptions are you currently paying for right now without even realizing it? Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, maybe forgotten Apple Music trial that converted into paid plan. A cloud storage subscription you sign up for once and never used again. Research shows that the average person loses hundreds of rupees every single year to subscription they have completely forgotten about. And it's not just a subscription, right? We also get a reward points from our credit card, cashback UPI apps like Google Pay and PhonePe, locality points from our bank rewards program. But all of these are the segregated across different platforms, different apps, different statements, and nobody really knows their total worth at any given point. On top of that, at the end of every month, when we get our bank statement, we see the list of transactions and we struggle to remember what each charges was for. Was that Amazon charge a subscription renewal? Was it one time purchase? Did someone else use the credit card? These are the real problems that almost every single person with a bank account and a smartphone faces right now. And this is genuinely no simple solution that bring everything together in one place. Let me help you to visualize the problem more clearly because once you start noticing it, you really cannot unsee it. Imagine you have just purchased a 5 subscription. Netflix for $15 a month, Spotify for $10, Amazon Prime at $15 annually, Disney Plus at $14, and YouTube Premium at $14 as well. That is roughly $68 disappearing automatically from your bank account every single month without you lifting a finger, without a notification, without a reminder. Now imagine you want to pause or cancel one of these. Let's say Netflix because you are not watching anything this month. What do you have to do? You open a Netflix apps, you navigate to your account setting, you search through multiple menu to find cancellation button, click through multiple confirmation screens, and maybe they even offer a discount to stay. Now multiply that efforts by 5 for each of your subscriptions. And each one has completely different cancellation process, a different website, different setting, different step. There is no universal pause button anywhere. These are not small theoretical problems. These are everyday financial leaks that affect literally everyone. I realize that all the eight of these problems belongs to the one single thing, a lack of centralized payment visibly and control. So I decided to build something that would solve all eight of these problems in one unified platform. PayPallet is that solution. It is a fintech dashboard that acts like a single command center for your entire payment life. Instead of logging into the five different subscription websites, opening three different banking applications, and manually checking your statement every month, you just open PayPallet and you see everything in one place. At its core, PayPal has a three powerful capabilities that make it truly useful. First, it automatically detects your subscriptions from your Gmail receipt and your bank statements. You do not have to enter it manually. Connect your Gmail account through a secure OAuth process and PayPal scan your receipt email, finding subscription confirmations, renewal notices, and trial expires. Then it extracts the merchant name, the amount, billing cycles, and even predict your next renewal date. Alternately, you can download your bank statement as a SCV file from any bank, HDFC, ICICI, Chase Bank, it does not matter, and upload it to PayPalette. Our patent detect algorithm analyze every transactions, identify recurring payment, and tell you Netflix appear every 30 days for $15.99 with 95% confidence. Spotify appear monthly for $9.99 with 92% confidence. It gives you this intelligent suggestions that you can simply approve or reject with one click. The second powerful capability is the subscription control system itself. Once your subscriptions are detected and added to your dashboard, you can see all of them in one place sorted by the renewal date. You can pause tracking your subscriptions you want to temporarily ignore. You can resume them later. And more importantly, when you want to actually cancel a subscription, PayPal does not just detect it on the list. It opened a detailed cancellations guides model that shows you the step-by-step instructions specifying date provider. This make PayPal not just a tracker, but genuine utility that help you to take actions on your subscription. The third capability is the intelligent bank statement reconciliation engine. When you upload your bank statement, PayPal does not just detect subscriptions, it also import every single transactions into your dashboard. But PayPal goes beyond just subscriptions and reconciliations. I built it to be completely financial overview platform. The dashboard page show you the real-time KPI cards with your total spending across all accounts, the number of active subscriptions you are tracking, your total rewards earned across our platform, and your estimated monthly saving based on your spending pattern, and the category breakdown that help you to understand where your money is actually going. The reward page is designed to solve that second reward problem I mentioned earlier. You can track your all the credit card points, your UPI cashback, your wallet rewards, all in one place. There's a performance chart that let you toggle between the 6 month and the 1 year to see your rewards accumulation trend. And the redeem reward buttons actually works. It connect to the backend API and update the status of your rewards from the credited to redeemed. You also get a redemption history tables that show you everything you have redeemed. The wallet page is designed for the multiple wallet problem. You can add any wallet that you use, your main bank account, your credit card, your digital wallet, and track the balance, the reward balance, and status. There is the grid view and the latest view toggles, so you can switch between the card layout and the table layout. Each wallet card has a expandable history section that show you the recent activities, and compare view toggle buttons opens the comparisons toggles that put your four wallets side by side, comparing their balances, rewards, providers, and the status in one view. What I believe make this product stand out from the technical Monster project is that it solves a real tangential problem that people face every day. This is not a to-do list app or the weather app built from the tutorial. This is generally useful financial tool that I would use myself to track my own subscriptions and manage my own payment ecosystem. Every feature in this project was designed by asking the questions: would I actually use this? And if the answer was no, I do not build it. The second thing that make this project unique is production readiness. This is not a code that only work on the local nodes with the branch of a hard-coded mock data. Every page is connected to the real backend API with a live MongoDB database. The Gmail overflow works against actual Google servers. The CSV upload actually presses your bank statement and create a real subscription suggestions, the transaction phase, so your actual transaction history, not demo data. To conclude, PayPalette is a result of identifying a genuine gap in the personal financial space, designing a comprehensive solutions from the first principle, building it with the industry standard technologies, and deployed it to the production with the proper security and the configurations. It combines subscription management, rewards tracking, bank statement reconciliations, wallet management, and the financial analytics into the single, beautiful, and financial dashboard. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about PayPalette. And if you have any questions or feedback, I would love to hear from you.